Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
May I talk to you for some time?
Of course, I would love to.
Well, do you teach English language?
Yeah, I teach English language.
Right. Does your father work in a bank?
No, my father doesn't work in the bank.
Are students learning computer outside now?
I think now they aren't learning computer.
Oh. Was your father drinking tea at 6 a.m. yesterday?
Yes, my father was drinking tea at 6 a.m. yesterday.
Have you finished your work?
Yeah, I finished my work.
Right. Have you been teaching English language at MGL for many years?
Yes, I have been teaching English language at MZL for many years.
Has your father been working in the field for so many years?
Yes, my father has been working in the field for many years and he is a farmer.
Right. Did you drink some beer in the party yesterday? Your marriage,
No,
your
sir.
friend's marriage party?
No, sir, I didn't drink beer in my friend's marriage yesterday.
Right. Were girls dancing in the marriage party yesterday night?
Yes, many girls were dancing in the party yesterday night.
Was bridegroom looking handsome?
Yeah, of course, he was looking handsome.
Had you given a gift to a friend in the party, marriage party?
Yes, I had given some gift to my
Gifts.
friend.
Okay, to a friend, right. Okay. Had you been teaching in a school till yesterday?
Yes, I had been teaching
In a school,
in
yeah.
a school till
Till yesterday.
yesterday.
Will you get up at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning?
Sure, I will get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Will you be drinking tea at 6 a.m. tomorrow?
Yes, of course. I will be drinking tea at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Will your father be reading newspaper at the same time?
I think he won't be reading newspaper at the same time.
Will you have paid all dues by 10 a.m. tomorrow?
Yes, of course. By 10 a.m. tomorrow, I will have cleared all the dues.
Oh, that's great. Will you have been teaching, tense from tomorrow?
Yes, I will have been teaching tense from tomorrow.
By the way, it's nice to talk to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Nice to talk to you too.
Okay.